Marie Williamson in obstacle number 3 at the moment, and just through obstacle number 4 in 39.22 is Lisa Delina Bishop Western for Finland has finished her marathon in 112.19 penalties, 112 pénalités, 19 pour